The Mohajer-10 is purportedly an upgraded version of Mohajer-6 drone, though an analyst told Breaking Defense it's difficult to know its capabilities before it sees combat. Mohajer-10 is the upgraded version of Mohajer-6 drone and can carry a 300-kilogram payload, according to Iran's Tasnim news agency, doubling the capacity of the older version, with several times increased range. The state news agency reported that Mohajer-10 can carry 450 liters of fuel, has a maximum speed of 210 kilometers per hour, 130 miles per hour, can stay in the air for 24 hours and is equipped with various smart bombs with pinpoint accuracy, as well as electronic warfare equipment and intelligence systems. Samuel Bendet, an AI and unmanned systems expert at the US-based CNA research organization, told Breaking Defense that it's hard to judge Mohajer-10 drone's efficacy since it hasn't yet flown in combat missions. It's hard to judge how this drone will perform against significant and sophisticated countermeasures that exist in the region. It's likely that just like Mohajer-6, this drone is presented for export, Bendet concluded. A potential customer, Russia. The US and Ukraine have detailed how Moscow has been using Iran-made drones in its invasion. Iranian program is growing in sophistication and capabilities, despite the sanctions and attempts at limiting its access to high-tech products, Bendet told Breaking Defense. He added that Shahed drone, reportedly a prolific one in Ukraine, addressed a critical need for the Russian military, filling a gap between shorter-ranged ISR and loitering munitions and long-range missiles. Now, Iran unveiled its long-range drone, Mohajer-10, at an exhibition of military equipment in Russia, reported Reuters, quoted by BTA. Iran's state news agency IRNA said the more advanced system was presented at the Army 2024 International Military Technical Forum. The three-day event was opened today in the Patriot Congress and Exhibition Center. Near the Russian capital, Iran released details of the new drone in August last year. The operational range of the Mohajer-10 is 2,000 kilometers. Its flight can last up to 24 hours and it can carry a payload of up to 300 kilograms. Iranian media released a video of Mohajer-10 and other weapons, with the footage accompanied by the text, "Prepare your hiding places," written in Hebrew and Persian.